How to block pop-ups on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. This area provides access to various settings, including search engine selection, autofill options, privacy features like preventing cross-site tracking, and content blockers. You can also customize the tab bar layout and manage how links open. Here, scroll down to the General section and turn on the Block Pop-ups feature. Enabling this will prevent most pop-up windows from appearing while browsing in Safari. Following these steps, you can easily block pop-ups on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.